Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Altima Headlight Bulb Easy Guide. Begin by opening the hood and locating the headlight housing at the front of the vehicle. Remove any fasteners or clips securing the access panel, then reach in carefully to the bulb socket and free the wiring connector. Twist or unclip the socket to release the old bulb and place it aside on a clean cloth. Take care not to touch the glass of the new bulb and test the light before reassembling. Start by unplugging the wiring connector and supporting the socket with one hand to avoid stressing the wiring. Rotate the bulb's socket counterclockwise or release its clip, then gently pull the bulb straight out of the housing. Inspect the connector and housing for moisture, corrosion, or broken clips that could affect the new bulb. If anything looks worn, consider replacing the socket or cleaning contacts before inserting the new bulb to ensure a secure fit and reliable operation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical car tips. Quick recommendation: I use the Oala water bottle during long garage sessions, stays cold, and keeps hands refreshed between steps. Check the description for the product link and any other deals I mention so you can grab one if you like it. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the new bulb ready and wearing gloves, align the bulb tabs to the housing and insert straight in, then rotate or snap the socket until it seats securely. Reconnect the wiring connector and ensure it clicks into position so the electrical contact is solid. Close any access panels and resecure clips or screws, then turn on the headlights to verify beam alignment and brightness. Finish by lowering the hood and confirming both headlights work as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.